picture of my morning, but you couldn't make my day. I'm rocking in your unit, but you never look my way. I'm looking down your drawers in every single way. Get it back, you don't come in my trenches on the way.
This ain't got to do with shampoo, but watch your hand shoulder. Brother older, old enough to fold you, yo, I told you.
Hey!
Pray to what I made and play the puzzle, funky fizzle, say your flip. But I'm music
we
ain't no
arguing on these triggers from the girl town.
Ill town.
So that's what feel now. The little that reversal was still. Don't laugh with a freestyle phantom. Never mind being anthem. Tricky what you think it calls up 50.
I live it down for hip hop. This is hip hop of the day. I give props to hip hop to hip hop.
Say what? Louder. Africa. Hip hop parade. Say what? Europe. Asia. Just we come down to town.
Heard a lot about a brother gaining more ground. Being low down or do the showdown with it. I wanna know who you believe in. Me a funny reasons. Even when I'm sleeping, they think I'm
cheating.
You said I know you're Mr. OPP.
Man.
Yo, PP.
Man.
Will only see me.
Man, see.
You said I knew when I ain't hit it instead. That I was with it a bit. Not to consider the rap.
Hey.
I did your partner cause he's hot as dirt. Cause I'm naughty by nature. You put your heart in the car. This is a part. Forgot that I forgave when you had a spark. You try to act like something really big is missing. He been on my knees, your feet, he rain on your. The black women on ways to disrespect ain't good way. Let's start a family today.
Hip hop parade. Say what? Too short, slick with, Cypress Hill, Dayla. Hip hop parade. Say what?
Anthony, Lysandra, rest in peace. Somebody say hey.
We want to introduce and welcome back our original third member, KG
in the house.
VH1 Hip Hop honorees, Naughty by Nature 2008. Somebody scream!
It ain't nothing like hip hop music. Dayla, love y'all. Short, Slick Rick, Cypress Hill, man. That's all our family right there,
brothers, man. We love y'all, man.
For life.